Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Happy un-Thanksgiving. I had a nice Thanksgiving weekend. Hope you guys did too. This unit is from Doug in Wilmington, Delaware. And it's very seldom that I get a job from Delaware, so it's nice to know that there's customers up in Delaware that are still digging the A-Track format. This is just a simple little GE component player, nothing fancy. Track indicator lights and a track change button is all it's got. You do everything else at your receiver or amplifier. So let's make sure this puppy works before we send her back. Got some Neil Sedaka in a Jim Reeves case just to throw you guys off. Okay, make sure we got both speakers. Switch tracks. Alright, let's make sure, rather than wait, 10 minutes for this thing to reach the track change splice, I've got this tape set up to where it changes tracks about every 10 seconds, so we'll just make sure that, and you can disregard those sounds. Okay, you can see that it is changing tracks automatically. Couple more seconds, and there we go. We'll let it switch one more time, then we'll call it good. Alrighty, there we go. And, let's just pop the music tape back in just for fun. Make sure it still plays. Okay, we're coming up on an automatic track change right now, so I really didn't need to do that, but it's nice to confirm it, so. Alrighty, she's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. And I'm Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for service. This is for paying customers only seeking to have their unit repaired or their radio converted to FM. This is not a number to call for guys looking for belts. I don't sell anything. I don't sell parts, belts, or anything. My number is 928-533-9666. My website's in the description below. I do ask all customers to go on my website before calling me with preliminary questions. I'm just not going to go through the half-hour process of answering the same "what all do you do" questions with every single customer. You don't call Walmart and say, "Hey, what do you guys got in stock right now?" You research their prices through sales flyers and stuff like that. I have a website that has all my prices, options, and all that stuff. I do ask that customers go on the website before calling me. I'm happy to talk to you, but I'm not going to answer the same preliminary questions over and over and over. So please visit my website before calling. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Doug, for your business all the way from Delaware, and we'll see you guys next time.